हमारे पास बंगाल टाइगर पुलक दास, who has successfully got a seat in NIPER Mohali Pharmaceutical Management Pharma MBA and is now going to be a NIPERian. So, how was your experience with us, Pulak? You had joined us for the GDPI course. How was your journey with us?
Yeah. After my GPAT, NIPER result, I joined your classes, and it was very much beneficial for us because you have supported us in so many ways.
So, Pulak, there would be a moment while you were preparing for these exams when you would be saturated, demotivated, or tired of studying. How did you overcome this moment and how did you fight against this feeling of just not studying? So, Pulak, why choose MBA? You could have chosen some other core subjects. What was that one desire to choose MBA? You are now an example, an epitome, a motivation, an inspiration for many students out there. So, what would be that success mantra?
For my juniors, I can say that.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Healthcare Tips and Tricks by Payam Vora. आज है हमारे पास बंगाल टाइगर पुलक दास, who has successfully got a seat in NIPER Mohali Pharmaceutical Management Pharma MBA and is now going to be a NIPERian. So first of all, welcome to the success story, Pulak, and congratulations for getting the seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, Pulak, my first question. Did you expect getting a NIPER Mohali? Did you expect getting into MBA? Did we expect it after the exam?
Sir, I expected that I could have managed for NIPER Mohali, but MBA was unexpected. Then after my GDPI, I was sure that I'll be selected.
Okay, that's wonderful. So after your GDPI, you had that confidence within you.
Yes, sir.
So, if you remember, Pulak is one of the student of GDPI, and he had sent his CV to me. And when I saw his CV, it was very organized. Matlab, being a pharma student, B Pharm student, I haven't seen such good CV with great alignment, great formatting. So uski tumhari CV pe I had the least work which I had, I didn't have much comments to give on. But yes, definitely you had a wonderful CV. So how was your experience with us, Pulak? You had joined us for the GDPI course. How was your journey with us?
Sir, after my GPAT, NIPER result, I joined your classes, and it was very much beneficial for us because you have supported us in so many ways. Like you conducted normal first senior sessions, then after that you have conducted the mock GTs also.
Correct. Okay,
That
so
was
that.
very much helpful, and you guided us like really well. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
so much. I hope that helped you, and probably now you have a seat fixed in NIPER. So, Pulak, there would be a moment while you were preparing for these exams when you would be saturated, demotivated, or tired of studying. How did you overcome this moment, and how did you fight against this feeling of just not studying?
Sir, actually, I have qualified GPAT in third year also. So after fourth
Acha,
year, my ranks have got boosted, and I got 723 rank in GPAT.
great.
Then I started preparing myself for NIPER as well. At the same time, our semester was there after like 1 week of NIPER.
Okay.
Then in between my semester, I have to go Mohali and return back. Then I have given my biostatistics examination. So it was really tough for me,
Correct,
but
correct.
I have that zeal and
But you managed well your biostats paper. This is the most common problem with the semi students. Their examinations clash with the semesters. So how did you balance? What was your schedule when you were preparing for this? How many hours did you study a day, and how did you balance your major and minor subjects? Tell us something about your preparation for NIPER.
so after GPAT, my pharma portion was totally prepared. So I decided to focusing on non-pharma portion. Especially my reasonings are really strong. Before the examination, I was very confident about that. And also my grammars are like very basic grammars. I have practiced a lot, so that's why. even the aptitude portion, like the time and clock and dates and
Ah,
all, I have all those formula remembered beforehand.
okay. So, मतलब almost pharma portion तो तैयार था, just the non-pharma portion you had to little bit brush up,
Yes,
and
sir.
there
And
you
I
were.
revised all those pharma portions like major subjects like ecology, medicinal chemistry, and all.
Right. So you had to just do a revision because, or
Yes,
a
sir.
recall. You had already studied it for GPAL. And it's a wonderful news to hear that you have even qualified in third year. That's a great thing to hear. So, Pulak, why choose MBA? You could have chosen some other core subjects. What was that one desire to choose MBA? Besides other placements, what would be the second reason? Because
Yes,
every
sir.
person who chooses MBA, probably it's by choice, or another very underlying reason is placement. So, what was your reason?
So I have done my project work in B Farm over like a film forming spray. I have also said that to you. It
Acha.
was mentioned
Yeah.
in my CV. So I have
Yes.
that knowledge of lab work and I have that experience, and it was nice. Then after that, I thought ki I have a better communication skill other than my classmates, so I can grow up in better in MBA also.
And I like to tell the audience that Pulak had mentioned in his interview while I was taking his PI about film forming spray. And I asked him a few questions also on film forming spray, if you remember, Pulak.
Yes, sir.
And he was
Yes,
able to
sir.
answer them. So I was very happy to know that हाँ इसके पास pharma की knowledge गई नहीं है. He has also the knowledge of pharma research, and along with that he is trying to adapt himself of learning about how do you manage about the pharmaceutical management. So I'm glad to see both the skills in one student itself. And that was the reason that Robin sir had asked you those aspect, and I asked you the pharma aspect questions, and you
Yes.
did it well. And how was your GD and PI when you went to Naipur Mohali? You saw the campus. How was that feeling when you saw the campus? And how was your GD PI when you sat in front of the panel?
So I have reached one day before. Then I was
Acha.
preparing myself. So I was excited at the same time for GD. Then when I
Correct.
reached campus, I was like, "Wow, the dream campus of like all pharma students." So
Right.
many candidates were there. I was little bit nervous when I have seen so many participants. Then our panel was selected. So as we have our exam next day, so three West Bengal people were there. We were in same panel, like first panel.
Oh, ho, ho. Okay.
Yes.
And
So
what were
then,
the topics you remember? At the topics somehow? Okay. Was it?
yes, our topic was previous culture in healthcare sector.
Acha, acha,
So
acha,
it was
acha.
quite easy and it was prepared by us. So our GD went really well. After that, PI was also good. The teachers were very polite and they have heard our answers very nicely and all.
That's
So it was
wonderful. Good.
nice.
That's wonderful and great to hear. So, Pulak, once again, congratulations to you for getting the land. You are now an example, an epitome, a motivation, an inspiration for many students out there. So, what would be that success mantra? What would be that one motivational statement or success story you would like to tell the audience who are watching you, the aspirants?
So for my juniors, I can say that consistency is the main key. You might have low score in mock test and all, but don't get demotivated. Try and try again and again, so you can make it. If I can make it, you can also make it.
That's wonderful. If I can do it, you can also do
You
it.
can do it. Yes.
Wonderful. So thank you so much, Pulak, for your time.
Thank
Had a
you.
lovely, you have made yourself proud, your family proud, your college proud, and you have made me also proud because I feel really happy when someone related to us gets success and does something really well. So wishing you great luck for your successful career in Naipur Mohali in Pharma MBA, and I hope after 2 years you come out with a wonderful job and a great career life ahead. Thank you so much, Pulak, for
Thank you
joining
so much,
us.
sir. Thank you so much for your immense support.